Understanding Math Problems, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, math problems. This is a common term in educational contexts, especially when discussing academic subjects. Understanding this phrase will help you navigate through English conversations and texts related to education and mathematics. So, let's dive in. Math problems refer to questions or exercises designed to test a person's understanding and skills in mathematics. These problems can vary greatly in complexity, from simple arithmetic calculations to complex algebraic or geometric puzzles. They are a fundamental part of learning and practicing mathematics, often used in classrooms, textbooks, and exams. Math problems come in various types and formats. Here are a few examples. 1. Arithmetic problems. These involve basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 2. Algebra problems. These include solving equations and understanding variables. 3. Geometry problems. These focus on shapes, sizes, and the properties of space. 4. Word problems. These are narrative-based questions that require translating a real-world situation into a mathematical equation. Understanding these types will help you identify and tackle different math problems effectively. Solving math problems is a skill that improves with practice. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Read the problem carefully. Understand what is being asked. 2. Identify the type of problem. Is it arithmetic, algebra, or something else? 3. Work step by step. Break down the problem into smaller parts. 4. Check your work. Always recheck your calculations and logic. I hope this video helps clarify what math problems are and how they are used in the context of learning English and mathematics. Remember, practice is key to mastering math problems, so keep challenging yourself with different types of questions. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.